Hello, and welcome to this overview session about the Amazon Advertising API. My name is Dave Katz, and I'm going to walk you through a few tools that can help you manage your campaigns more effectively. Amazon Advertising has many options to help you reach your end customer. We have a variety of ad formats and tools to help you run your ads efficiently. One of those tools is the Amazon Advertising API, and it can help you save time by automating tasks or making adjustments for all of your campaigns. It also gives you the ability to customize reporting and optimizations based on metrics that matter to you. The most important thing to know is that you have three main options to manage your advertising campaigns. The best choice for you depends on how many campaigns you run, how often you want to make changes, and how many operational or technical resources you have access to. Some companies find it easier to hire campaign managers, some may find it easier to outsource operations, while others have a great engineering team ready to build customized functionality. The three main ways to manage campaigns are the Advertising Console, Bulk Operations, and the Amazon Advertising API. These can be used individually or in any combination. Most advertisers start with the Advertising Console. It's the easiest option to begin setting up new advertising campaigns. It lets you create custom campaigns one at a time and optimize them one at a time. As your advertising needs change, they may become more complex, requiring more campaigns or more optimizations. This can be because you have more products to advertise or because you have multiple strategies to reach your customers. When all of the daily tasks of campaign setups, launches, and optimizations become too challenging to manage individually, bulk operations can help. With bulk operations, you can edit some or all of your campaigns at once. Many of the changes you are making individually in the Advertising Console can be set across all of your campaigns in less time. This is a great way to create or edit dozens or hundreds of campaigns without any engineers getting involved. The third option is the Amazon Advertising API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. I'm going to give my wife credit when she says API should stand for automatically pulling information. I'll just add that they can automatically pull or push information. APIs allow your engineers or external technology providers to build applications that use the underlying capabilities of the API. They can pull information about your ad campaigns, and they can push changes back into our system. The applications you build are fully customizable, as long as they request information and push information back in the right way. Here are some examples. You could build a reporting system that looks however you want. It will automatically pull campaign results from the Amazon Advertising API, which will be provided as raw data. Your application can display these results in any type of graph or chart with whatever styling you want. You can even combine those metrics with other insights that you have access to. Some users like to build a custom optimization algorithm. These can make changes automatically to your bids and can be as complex as your engineers or data scientists want. We'll go into more detail, but it's important to know that you and your engineers can build your own applications, or you can use a third-party tool provider who has already built functionality with the Amazon Advertising API. I'm here to help you figure out the right option for you and your advertising needs. Let's start by doing a quick dive into bulk operations. Bulk operations is a great way to save time for you and your team. If you're like me, you might find that once you get to a certain number of campaigns, you feel like you're spending way too much time setting them up and managing them. Some people find that to be when they have 10 campaigns running at the same time. Others might actually be able to manage 20 or more, but it all depends on how many people work on your team, the complexity of your campaigns, and how often you like to make changes. It may even be worth trying out bulk operations before you get to the tipping point where you feel like you have too many campaigns to manage. In addition to all of the functionality listed here, it's very helpful to use spreadsheet calculations to look at campaign performance. Add your spend, clicks, and sales, and you can quickly figure out which of your tactics work the best. It helps to have somebody with a statistics background, but it isn't necessary. Most importantly, you don't need any developers or engineers to do bulk operations. You can learn more about bulk operations at the Amazon Advertising website. Let's jump into the main topic for today, the Amazon Advertising API. APIs support external tools that can make it easier to manage advertising campaigns. With the Amazon Advertising API, there are two main reporting groups for what you can do: reporting and campaign management. With a custom application that plugs into the API, you can have fully customized reporting that is connected to any of your other systems. For reporting, you can think about APIs as a way to automatically pull information. giving you the underlying metrics in your customized interface. Campaign management requires you to build tools that both pull and push information. You need to pull all the details of your current campaigns, the parameters, budgets, and bids. Then you need to push back the changes you want to make. Our systems will then implement whatever changes you request. With custom applications, you can set up and optimize faster, manage more campaigns, and test different tactics for improving advertising performance. Through the Amazon Advertising API, you can manage campaigns in Amazon sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display, which is currently in beta. The quick takeaway is that our systems and your system will talk to each other through an API. Our systems do the bulk of the work to run ads, and your systems tell us what needs to be done by setting rules and budgets. I've mentioned some of the benefits, but let's dive a bit deeper. Applications built into the Amazon Advertising API can be designed to make advertising easier. Customized solutions give you the ability to manage all of your marketing activity in one place. One huge benefit is that you can combine information and tasks from both Amazon Advertising and Seller Central. If you happen to advertise outside of Amazon, you can even combine all that reporting or campaign management into one system that you control. It's incredibly convenient to see all of your marketing tactics in one place. That way, you can make decisions while looking at the full picture. Don't forget, there's also a huge opportunity for automation. If you build an automated system, you can really scale up the amount of work being done without spending extra hours. Applications can be built to perform repetitive tasks like downloading daily performance metrics, adjusting budgets, changing keywords, targeting, and optimizing bids. If you wanted, you could set your system to pull reporting from the Amazon Advertising API every morning at 6 a.m., store those reports in your own database, and add the newest measurements to a visualization system before you even wake up. There's no need for manual downloads, spreadsheet manipulation, and then combining information across weeks or months. You can focus more on business decisions and less on these routine tasks. I'm sure you can imagine how helpful this is when running a bunch of campaigns. A big benefit of a custom application is the ability to set your own optimization parameters. These can be based on pre-programmed sets of rules or machine learning algorithms that change as they get more information. The path to ad performance is different for every seller, and this gives you the opportunity to figure out exactly what works for you. While this may sound difficult or complex to build, you actually have a few options. There are two main ways to access Amazon Advertising API. The first is everything we talked about. You build applications yourself. This requires programmers with technical knowledge. You need to find the resources within your organization to build these options from scratch, but you'll have full flexibility in the results. The second option is the path that actually most advertisers tend to take. They work with a third-party technology company that has already built applications into the Amazon Advertising API. There are tech companies out there who have built great solutions for reporting, optimization, and connecting to other systems. Some sellers work with them directly, while others choose to go through an advertising agency. Choosing the right tech partner and management style is totally up to you and your needs. In a few minutes, we'll talk about how you can evaluate your options and determine the best path. There are a lot of providers who offer Amazon Advertising API solutions, and I want to make sure that you have enough information as you do your research. The Amazon Advertising Find a Partner directory, which launched in the US in 2019, makes it easier to find the right partner that's right for your business. All partners included in the directory have demonstrated a high level of engagement and proficiency with one or more Amazon Advertising self-service products. In the directory, you will find both managed service providers and tool providers. An example of a managed service provider could be an agency which uses their expertise to help you manage and optimize campaigns. In many cases, managed service providers have their own customized applications connected to the Amazon Advertising API. Tool providers are companies with a proprietary technology connected to the Amazon Advertising API. It may be a reporting system, a dashboard where you manage and optimize your campaigns, or both. Partners can offer a wide range of services specific to your advertising needs. They help a broad set of advertisers with activities like ad planning, creative support, campaign execution, or campaign optimization. So let's go through a quick case study. This one is for Sola, a health-conscious company that creates low-carb, high-protein, no-sugar added food products. They were able to optimize their advertising campaigns by partnering with Viral Launch, a tool provider with customized technology built on the Amazon Advertising API. Among all of the great benefits, Viral Launch helped Sola scale their campaigns effectively by using automated tech, a real-time metrics dashboard, and their campaign optimization capabilities. Now that we've gone through all of the technical details, let's figure out which option may be right for you and your business. Each company has different requirements and capabilities, and this is a very personal choice that depends on many factors. Here are some of the most important things to consider. Building an application requires significant resources: product managers, coders, and possibly data scientists. Advertisers that develop their own applications tend to manage a large number of campaigns, typically averaging dozens of active campaigns per month. Additionally, advertisers that develop their own application also often manage multiple brands and have multiple vendor or seller accounts. To help set you up for success, here are some next steps. Visit the developer portal for all technical details. Give your engineers these resources to help you evaluate if building with the Amazon Advertising API is right for you. If you're interested in using an Amazon advertising partner who has already built custom solutions, please check out the Find a Partner directory I just mentioned. You'll be able to research and contact them directly. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the sessions.